Hey, what's up guys? I'm Matthews. I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how to attach your GoPro housing to your hat with Velcro. Simple and easy. I kind of like it because I don't like to wear the head strap with the band on it. I just want to put my cap on and I'm ready to go. On Amazon for $9.99, so I can practice with it. I want to cut these mounting brackets off. You want to probably make it flatter than this. Alright, I got that off. Let me do a little sanding. Scuff it up a little bit so the glue will stick. It's probably about 2 inch. You want to cut 2 pieces like this. Here's the other one. Match it up and cut it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is apply hot glue on this one side, and this other side is going to be on your hat. There. Alright, here I have it. I glue the Velcro to the hat, but I noticed that when I applied this, when I set the camera casing on, the material does not have stitches on the brim, so it moves. So what I did is I apply hot glue around it so the glue will go into the brim itself, and it's held pretty good. So I got the housing, and here's our GoPro. Goes in, lock it in, and you set it on your favorite baseball cap or hat you like to wear. And what you do is wiggle, so wiggle down and apply a little pressure so the Velcro will all connect. And there you have it. It feels good. Let's see this here. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm Matthews, and here I am with the second hat. This is a different option that I'm going to apply this GoPro housing to the hat. It has the original attachment. What I want to do is cut probably